Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. This is your fourth stimulus check update and daily news report. In this morning's video, I will be going over President Biden's new details on the next round of stimulus payments. And if you're interested in entering next Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please make sure to watch until the end of this video. Early last year, one of Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell's longest rivals offered a lesson about why the Republican is unfazed by his critics whenever he digs in on a political strategy. So now, almost 2 years later, Democrats have set up a strategy that will force Republicans to accept their fair share of the national debt that now tops $28 trillion. And if this strategy fails, the government could run out of funding authority and enter another congressional forced shutdown, which is the fourth in less than a decade, and create a debt crisis that could rattle global financial markets. Mitch McConnell has declared that Republicans will not vote to increase the Treasury's authority to continue borrowing money, which is the same as voting to allow a default. As he has done before, Mitch McConnell has essentially created a new rule out of a whole cloth to justify his actions. So everyone, what are your thoughts on Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Almost every single time that the debt ceiling has been lifted, it has been done in bipartisan fashion under the regular Senate order that requires at least 60 votes to end debate on the legislation. In today's 50-50 Senate, that means at least 10 Republicans have to join Democrats to approve a new debt limit, or has been done in recent years, suspend that law for a few years. Instead, Mitch McConnell says he is opposed to the more than $6 trillion proposed agenda that President Biden has pushed on Capitol Hill, and is now urging Democrats to use a parliamentary budget move to deal with the debt issue on their own. Mitch McConnell says he does not want to breach a debt limit. He just wants to keep the GOP hands clean of all of this new spending.
And I say to my Republican friends, take back your party. The country needs a big, strong Republican Party. Here I say that as a leader in the Democratic Party, but we need a big, strong Republican Party. You've done so much for our country. Take pride and take back your party. Don't have it be a cult of personality on the extreme right. This isn't about liberal or conservative. It's about radical, should we say, they don't believe in governance. So you see, for example, with COVID, if science says we should be wearing masks, and government says you must wear a mask inside, they'll say we're anti-science, we don't believe the science to begin with, and we certainly are not going to obey the governance that requires that. That's one example. Of course, we go through this with climate change and so many other areas of denial that they're in. So, again, as nonpartisan as I can be, take back the Republican Party. I'm not a Republican here. Take back your party, which has done so much for our country, and we can compete in the world of ideas about what the role of government is. We have confidence in our beliefs, but we have humility enough to listen to others and how things might work regionally or generationally or ethnically or whatever differences there are.
Senate Republicans are also so united behind Mitch McConnell that even their most centrist cohorts are holding back support for the Democratic plan to even pass a new suspension of the debt limit tagged on to a bill to keep federal agencies functioning past the September 30th deadline. So everyone, do you think that our debt limit in America should be raised? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Some U.S. parents eagerly expecting their third enhanced child tax credit payments this week say they have not received the money as expected. The Internal Revenue Service said the emergency relief, which Congress approved earlier this year as a way to help millions of households suffering the economic efforts of this crisis, was sent on Wednesday to 35 million families. Some people may receive their checks through mail, which could take several days to even weeks to arrive in mailboxes, or get a direct deposit in their bank account in a few days. But the issue is worrying some parents who had previously received payments as scheduled during the months of July and August, but said they have not yet to receive their September installment. More than a dozen parents have contacted CBS to flag the delay. Under this new program, parents of all eligible children under age 6 receive $300 per child each month, while those with children between 6 and 17 will receive $250 per child. Everyone, the key word for this video is pencil. If you're interested in entering my $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, which is scheduled for next Friday, please subscribe, like this video, and remember to comment below this key word. Thank you so much, everyone. The Internal Revenue Service said that it looks into any reports of people not receiving their payment, but did not provide an explanation about why some parents failed to receive their deposits. In August, it flagged a technical issue that caused about 15% of recipients who had received their child tax credit money via direct deposit in July to instead receive paper checks in August. Remember, paper checks typically take much longer for parents to receive, given that the mail system can require days to weeks for complete delivery. The latest payments marks a halfway point of the direct cash assistance, with 3 monthly payments remaining under the plan, which was signed into law by President Biden through the American Rescue Plan. While the child tax credit is not a new tax credit, the American Rescue Plan expanded it to include more low-income taxpayers, while also paying half of the credit through 6 monthly checks. Some Democratic lawmakers are pushing to extend the child tax credit program through the year 2025, although it remains unclear if that effort will succeed. Some advocates would like the expanded aid to become a permanent feature of the tax code, citing its effectiveness in reducing childhood poverty. So everyone, do you think that the child tax credit program should be extended? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you so much, everyone. I greatly appreciate you all joining me here today. The winner of this week's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway is Kim Dean. Congratulations, Kim. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a very, very blessed Sunday.